All right, everybody. Today I'm going to try to re-present the lottery problem that I presented in class on Tuesday. Um, I did it sort of in haste and wanted to post this video so that you had a little better idea of how to go about solving it. So you see the problem up here. It's based on a variation of the problem that's in your textbook. But I just provide you with a little bit different information. So let's go on and get through and solve it, and hopefully this will clear things up. So let's read through it. Let's say you have just won the state lottery. The authorities have given you a choice of either taking a lump sum of $26 million or a 30-year annuity of $1.625 million. Both payments are assumed to be after tax, and the prevailing annual interest rate is 5%. What will you do? So you're basically trying to choose between taking $26 million now or taking $1.625 million at the end of this year for the next 30 years. So do you want it all in one lump sum or do you want a fixed annuity cash flow over the next 30 years? Well, what you really need to think about with this question is that you're making this decision in the present. And so you're making this decision today. Now, the $26 million, the lump sum, that's a payment made to you today. And so it's already in present dollars. However, the annuity payment is 1.625 million for the next 30 years. That's in the future. So ideally what we know is we want to know what the present value of this annuity should be. Of course, I don't have my clicker ready to go. So we want to know the present value of this annuity. Now remember from our formulas that the present value of an annuity is going to be the payment, the cash flow from the annuity, times 1 minus 1 over 1 plus r raised to the n over r. Right? That's the formula we have. And we can come in and we can plug in all the relevant information about the annuity portion of this lottery. We know that the payment is $1,625,000. And I could plug in all this information here. 1 minus 1 over 1 plus R, that's the interest rate, 0.05. Raised to the N, that's going to be 30 years over 0.05. And you could solve that formula down, right? Simplify the algebra there and solve it down and find the present value of this annuity. Or we can use our calculator, our financial calculator, and plug in the relevant information here. So I know that, I'm going to clear my stuff out here. I know that the number of periods that this annuity lasts for is 30. So I hit 30 in. The I over Y, the interest rate, we know that's 5%. I. Present value, that's what we want to know. That's what we're trying to figure out. The payment, 1625000. We leave it as a positive number because it's a cash flow to us. So that's payment. And then the future value of this annuity, how much is going to be left in the annuity at the end of the 30 years? Well, after 30 payments, the lottery owes you nothing. So future value is 0. And then I come up and I hit compute, present value, and I'm given that number right there, 24,980,232. And if you solve this formula down here in the slide, you would get that number as well. So I'm just going to write, I'm just going to simplify it a little bit, 24,980,000. Right? That's roughly the present value. Now, what that means in this case is that having $24.9 million now is the same as getting $1.625 million every year for the next 30 years. If you were to get $24.9 million today, and you were to invest it at a 5% interest rate over the next 30 years, you would have the same amount of money in that account as if you got $1.625 million each year for the next 30 years. We've discounted those future annuity payments into present value. So then now what you need to decide is, would you rather have $24.9 million of value now, or $26 million of value now? And obviously, the choice is to choose the lump sum because choosing $26 million of present value is better, is more than $24.9 million of present value. And the idea here is that, again, using the interest rate of 5%, we can discount the annuity payments into present value. And then you choose whichever one is higher. I hope that clears things up for you.